What's up guys? In today's video I want to go over one of my last videos and show you some results because when I did a video 2 weeks ago now on how to make money with Pinterest, and a lot of people said it won't work, it doesn't work, you're wasting your time. Well, no, because I've been doing this type of stuff for a super long time, a long time now, and although the method I taught was a very slow process, it can snowball to a lot of money and a lot of traffic. So I wanted to do an update to show you. Now, I haven't made a lot of money with this right now, but I'm bringing in a lot of traffic that can be turned into money when we monetize it. So if you haven't seen this video, guys, I'll leave a link below. It's how to make money on Pinterest, $100 a day, 50 bucks, whatever you want to make. But the whole concept, the whole point of that video actually was about more the traffic, not so much the money. So it was more about getting the traffic, and you can get insane amounts of traffic from Pinterest. Not only that, guys, you can use this traffic to rank websites because it counts as like kind of backlinks, social backlinks, and interaction to your site. When people click on your site, it gives Google good signals. And once I implemented this strategy, okay, so the reason I did it, guys, because there was a guy that commented on this video and it kind of annoyed me, said, there's a few haters actually said it wouldn't work and stuff like that. So I thought, it's worked for me heaps in the past, so I'm going to fire it up again. I got someone on my team to do this for me. I don't do it. I pay them to do it. I think it cost me like, I don't know, $100 a week, and they go in and they schedule all the posts, but you can do it yourself. But it made sense for me just to try it, right? And one of the websites that we're sending traffic to, and this is a fresh website, increased in rankings. We had a good increase in rankings. These were sitting at NA, most of these. So if you don't know what this is, guys, this is pretty much ranking for keywords in Google. And the Pinterest traffic acts as interaction. So Google sees that your site's getting interaction and they put you up a little bit, and it also acts as social backlinks, which is really good as well. And this is actually how I started ranking websites way back in the day. So we started this method around about here. You can see we had some nice increases. We have come down a little bit now, but we had some nice increases in rankings. So it can be used to actually get your website higher in the Google rankings as well. So let's look at some results, guys. First of all, this is the profile we tested it on. This is my old, my one that I don't really use anymore, Franklin Hatchet. Don't worry about these stats. They haven't updated yet. They are a lot more. I'm going to show you in a second. And what we do, okay, this is kind of the plan. We repin other people's pins, and then in the middle of that, every single day, we put 4 or 5 pins to my own website, okay? And we've grown followers. I'll show you that. I'll show you all the stats right now, okay? So the first stats we're going to look at is the overview. And check this out, it's incredible. Look at this increase. We have had an insane increase. Now, we're starting to go viral now. This is kind of what I mean with the snowball effect. So this was actually, let's go back to when we started doing this. So the first to like the 10th. Let's do that. Not even that. Let's go back more. July. So there. Okay, guys, check this out. So I did the video like a couple of weeks, 2 weeks, more like 3-4 weeks ago. And then we started implementing this after the video. I think it was like 2 days after, as soon as I got those hate comments. You can see the impressions, guys. And look at this. Look at this. Okay? Incredible. And we're not getting a lot of clicks, but we have a lot of pins getting traffic, like hundreds of pins, and they're getting like 1, 2, 3 clicks each. We're getting hundreds of clicks all the time, right? But you'll see that these impressions are now going insane. Okay, so we've had an increase of 336,000% since I started this method. Okay, so it works, right? I'm not going to sit here as that doesn't work, because it works. And let's just go back and have a look at some more stats here as well. People you reach, we now have a reach of 5,000 monthly viewers. Average engage is 180. Clicks to my website are down a bit, but we have an increase in that as well. Okay, so that's the Pinterest stats, guys. Good, man. Like we're going viral now. We're going viral. So probably going to start to monetize this a bit more. Now, let's look in here, guys. So what I do, and now the money made, we have made some money on affiliate stuff. It is a little bit hard to track, so I don't have tracking numbers. Although I can track Shopify and ClickFunnels. And so far with Shopify, we've got about 20 trials. And ClickFunnels, I think we've got about 6 or 7 ClickFunnels trials with this in the last, 3 or 4 weeks, right? Or what was it, back in 23rd of, we'd say 2 or 3 weeks. So we've got quite a few trials and they are making money now. Those are the ones I can track, and then there's probably a few more as well in there, like Bluehost, I think. But guys, we'll go through here. We have right now 800 pins ready to schedule using this program called Tailwind, okay? We'll go down and we'll try to find some of mine. So here's one of mine here. Looking for your 60-day Shopify trial, okay? This is one of my pins that my team made, custom made it. This links to one of my websites. And these are all search engine optimization. You'll notice there's hashtags and stuff, so these get traffic forever. And we go down, guys, and there's another one here, I think. Blogging tips. This is another one for Shopify. We compare Shopify with ClickFunnels. And then all these other ones in the middle, guys, these are not mine. These are other people's. We use these to build up the followers, which I'll show you in a second. But this one here, that's not mine. Let me just have a look here. I think we do 2 or 3 a day. Yep, that's one of my ones. A ClickFunnels one as well. That should be one of mine. Go down. There's that. See, there's that other one. We just keep repinning the same stuff, guys, and we're getting traffic to my websites. Okay, and there's so much benefits to this. We're getting traffic. We're ranking higher in Google. We're getting more followers. Check that out. Let's have a look at some stats. Insights, profile, performance. If you don't know what any of this is, go back to my other video. I explain how this all works. Now, I did initially have some followers from back in the day. Okay, so it's not like I started with nothing. So that probably helped me. But since we started doing this, guys, we've gone from we've gained about 200 followers, which is not a lot, right? That's not a lot of followers, but we're gaining followers for free. We have a good engagement rate, around about 24%, which is not too bad. It's pretty good for Pinterest. And all the stats are good. All the stats are good. So you really can't complain, guys. This is free traffic. Well, it's not free. I'm paying someone to do it, but essentially it is free traffic if you set this up yourself and do this yourself. And we're getting insane amounts of traffic, and we have made some money. We're getting Shopify trials. We're getting ClickFunnels trials. We probably have made some money with the Bluehost as well. I promote the Bluehost. Inside my pins, we are doing Bluehost as well. So let me just get my iPad out, and I want to explain to you why I'm doing this. All right, guys. Now, when I post a video online about how to make $100 a day online or how to make money online, there's always a bunch of people that say this doesn't work. It's not going to work. It does work. That's why we post about it. But more importantly, it's more about the traffic. If you can get the traffic, guys, you can use that traffic to do a lot of things. Because you probably know you're not going to make any money unless you have traffic. So what we do is we use Pinterest, guys, as the traffic source. Okay, this is the traffic source. Then once you have that traffic, you can distribute it to wherever you want. You can distribute it to, I recommend not sending it straight to affiliate links, even though I've said that in the past. It's better if you do it properly. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is I'm sending them to a blog page with a little article on it with a link to an affiliate link, right? Which we'll do in red, goes to an affiliate page where I then make money, okay? So this is how that's the affiliate page. So that's one of the ways to make money with Pinterest, right? So send them to a bridge page or a blog page. I think I send them to my ClickFunnels review on one of them, and then another one I send them to a Shopify review, and there's a trial, okay? And then they go to the page, and then you make money, right? Another way is you can build up your social media accounts. You can send them to your Facebook. You can send them to your Instagram, right? You've got this. The thing is, you've got Tailwind, this program that does everything automatically for you. You can spend a couple of hours a week setting this up. It does everything for you, and you can send that traffic and distribute it to all sorts of places online, right? Like we're going viral, guys. We're going viral. That's not it there. On that one, we're going viral now. Like ruthless amounts of traffic. We're going to be getting ruthless amounts of traffic soon, and we can send it to anywhere. ClickFunnels. We can send it to a pre-sale page. We can build an email list, guys. You can send these people to an opt-in form, which I'm going to actually start doing. I haven't really done that. That's probably what I should be doing. You can send them to an opt-in form, guys, where you collect an email, okay, or Facebook Messenger bot or something like that, and then you can promote your products that way, right? And then once again, you make money. Okay? So that's why we do these videos, guys. Think of Pinterest as the traffic source. This is your traffic source, or Instagram, like whatever you're using. And then distribute that traffic to your various ways of collecting emails, collecting commissions, making money on your own courses. You can do this to make money on your own courses. And I actually recently, in the last kind of 2 to 3 weeks, I've had a big increase in course sales in my own courses. I think this probably has something to do with it because people go and search me, they find my stuff online, and they purchase my content. So yeah, that's why we do it, guys, all right? That's why we do it. It's working. It's a great traffic source, especially if you're a blogger. It's a great traffic source for bloggers. Financial bloggers, how to build a blog bloggers, DIY bloggers, women bloggers. There's a lot of women on Pinterest. So that's it. All right, guys. That's why I do these videos, to show you traffic sources that can help your business grow. Okay. You might not want to use this traffic to make money. You might want to use it to grow something, grow your blog or grow something. All right, guys. Now, as always, below we have the competition. The winners are in the pinned post. Go to the pinned post, see if you've won. We have 2 winners once again. I don't think we hit 500 likes in the last video, but we'll do 2 winners anyway. And there's also some information down there and some links as well for my courses and stuff. Go and check those out, guys. And the instructions to win on the next time. Okay, we're going to win. We're going to do another competition. I don't think we'll get a lot of likes in this video, but throw down a like. We'll probably pick another person for the next one as well. But either way, we're going to pick at least one person for the next competition. The information, instructions is in the description. So go and leave a comment, drop a like. I love to stay interactive, guys. I reply to every single comment. You know I do. You can go look at all my videos. I reply to every single comment. Go and get some traffic. Go and grow your social media accounts. Go and grow your websites and possibly make some money. All right, guys. And we are running out of time, but I should have showed you. Something. Let me just get this up. Actually, I want to show you something really, really cool. Okay. All right, guys. I got this up real quick. Sorry for dragging the video on, but these are 2 guys that from my Facebook group that started watching me a couple of years ago on YouTube. And one of them here has made $5,000 that day, $800 that day in affiliate commissions following my strategies. And this guy here found me 2 years ago, I think, and I think he sold one of his websites for $1 million or something. So, guys, the stuff I teach works. You just need to implement it. Sorry, it's a bit late here. I'm a bit tired. You just need to implement it. And it does take time. We're not teaching any get-rich-quick scheme stuff here. This stuff does take time. Like, I didn't even really know these guys existed. They've been in the back end working on their businesses. Then 2 years later, they come into my group and give me a testimonial, right? They've been working on their businesses. They haven't been messing around. They've been working on their businesses, growing them to the next level. All right, guys, so see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll leave some more videos up here that you can click on right now if you want to watch more of my content.